spica. This is the perforated. This is perforated thermoplastic, by the way. And some perforated thermoplastic has the holes even closer together. So the one drawback, it's nice because you get air and you get this breathability. The drawback is it's not as strong. So solid thermoplastic is stronger. This is obviously for a much smaller person than I. Thumb spica. This is another, this is the roll that's in there, the same. I think it's sort of a cock-up, but there's a roll in here to keep the hand separated, and you could feel it. It's kind of like a little pillow. I believe this is really for anti-spasticity as well. Feel it. You can pass that around. This is an ulnar deviation. Splint.
You know, when I was going to OT school, we had a whole splinting class, and it was, you know, the curriculum was not set up like this, where you had like one class for the whole semester. So we would have an ADL lab that maybe lasted for 3 sessions, and then we had splinting that lasts for like 6 sessions, 6 all-day sessions, and we would make, because we were, of course, in OT school, we would make the dressings with the cock-up splint, the thumb spiker, the ulnar deviation cup. We also made a foot job splint, because we were and a dynamic outrigger. Those were the splints that we made, which actually I found very useful. And we also did serial casting. I have to tell you that I enjoyed serial casting, and when I did some consulting work at Greater Harlem Nursing Home, if you had someone that had a hemiplegic patient who had a really fisted upper, they were locked into flexor synergy so bad that they were like this, we would do serial casting on the elbow and on the wrist. It took us about a year to release
Makes no
the
sense, right?
contracture, but it was a series of casting. Like one therapist would pull out, and then we would apply the same material that they use to make plaster, like that plaster of Paris to make